Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Kasorkar Jilla Ubapet Yakatanat District Council Affairs Ba Lakmen Rymbui. Ulaong ba Kasorkar kan sapet ondala yok pediang yakajing tho na ka KHADC laon penbet biang yakajing penbana halor ka jing pentrekam yaka Civil Procedure Code CPC bat ka Criminal Procedure Code CRPC. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kampat menjur pura ya kajing penbana jong ka sorkar habayadai bat kijing rekam ka CPC bat CRPC hajela. Uba Rymbui ulaong ba umday ubriu na kalyangkaan uba tiplut ya kijenet kijenat jong kaway pakaway kaan. Henry na kijing tip kiba ulayo hai kijing lang kibabun ka parafo jong ka 6th schedule kadai ya ki District Council banshim Bishar ya ki Mukot Duma. Bat ka para 5 kadai ka jing penkup bor da ulan. Ulaong ba umdan ay ban benrap halor ka jing batay jong ka sorkar, kabalaong ba ka bor jong ki Ïingkashari District Council kam syakta. Bat day lang ba ka ray jong ka kinhun menteri, ba ka jing penbenaru kalami. Ulaong ru ba umday mauban ong kumnuan penbet ya ka jing penbena bat ladadon ka aka, menteri rang ba hi unpet kat kum ki kenduan ki bayaham. Ula banrap bah badan kanu-kanu ka jing persya kadai ka kamram ka sorkar ban sngap bat ban yakren wat habaladeb yakren bunsin yakani. Ha ka jing lang ka KHADC bat kinong sensarsh nong dakaway kasor kaladawa na ka sorkar jela ban penmi dakaway pat ka jing penbena kabashay bat ka ba pentikna ba ka CPC bat CRPC kinom kata yakrukom Bishar yaki jing yakajia bat ki Mukot Duma daki Ïingkashari District Council. Batru yaki jing yakajia hapdeng ki para reulum ki badan kam ban penkenria yaki Mukot Duma syaki Ïingkashari jong ki Autonomous District Council na kebenta ka jing Bishar. Uba khan ulaong baka sorkar jilla kadai ban penbet biang yaka jing penbena bat kadai ban bu daki kintin ki bayahap katkum ka jing ai jing mon bat jing dawa ka council. Ulaong bahaga jing shisha ka sorkar ru kaladep ban pensyai bagane ka jing penbana habayadai bat ka CPC bat CRPC kam kta satya ya ka bor jing ki District Council kon namar on tray kam tangha ki district bat session kon kham tam namar baki District Council kon ki beteng ban shim ya ka bor katkum ka paragraph 4 bat 5 jong ka kharnet ban riu ka riti sanchar kari India.
See, don't confuse between the FIR and the judicial process. FIR or law and order is exclusive jurisdiction of the government. Maintaining of the law and order is the exclusive jurisdiction of the government. Police is the exclusive jurisdiction of the government. Here the confusion is only about the judicial power which conferred to this council and now unto the ADC before and now that from ADC to confer to district and session judge. So don't confuse between the executive power under CRPC and the judicial power for
has demanded that fresh or modified notification regarding CRPC and CPC should be issued, and they are in touch with the government also in this regard. So any action from government side, any decision from government side?
No, as of now there is no decision from the government. So in fact Chief Minister have called a series of meetings to discuss about that. So let us see when they give the written to us and when they give written complaint or disagreement to the Chief Minister. Chief Minister will surely call the meeting. So whether they could review or not, that is a different issue altogether.
Hima, they have decided to continue opposing the notification of the government to extend the CRPC and CPC to all courts in Meghalaya, despite of the fact that the government had explained to them the objectives of that notification. What do you have to say?
To add to that, the government has explained to them that the powers of these district council courts will not be diluted under the paragraph 4 and 5 of the 6th schedule. What do you have to say that they are still opposing despite such explanation?
I didn't have to add more to that explanation. The government have taken a decision. The Honorable Cabinet has already taken a decision and notification has come out. So it is not for me to see how the notification will be changed. So if anything, only the Chief Minister himself can look into within the parameter of the legal system.
But do you think it will affect the functioning of these district council courts, as the district council and these traditional heads have claimed?
See, I am not the legal person who know the nitty-gritty of each and every act. But having said that, from what I have gathered information during this series of meetings, that the para 4 of the constitution schedule is exclusively for the district council to try the case and so on and so forth. And para 5 of the constitution is by conferment by the governor. The power is conferred by the governor. And for all these things, this year's the function of the judiciary is being done by the assistant to DC judiciary.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.